Flappy Bird, released in 2013, is one of the most popular hyper-casual games in which you have to fly through pipes without crashing into them. Since then, several variations of the games are made. So I wanted to make one too, but in 3D. So to start with, I added a ground plane in Unity and then added a cube object as a player. I then added a script to the player object to get the desired movement of Flappy Bird through the input of the keyboard. Then it was time to make the pillars. So to make the pillars I used simply the cylinders. I made a set of two and converted it into a prefab and added a script to move it on the x-axis. Now you can see the pillars are instantiated, but all the pillars are on the same level. So I added a range variable which will randomly generate a position on the y-axis. Now you can see the pillars are generated randomly on the y-axis with different positions. Then I added a start button and a game over screen and score. After that I created a low poly model of a Flappy Bird in Blender so that it can be used instead of our cube in the game. After importing it to Unity and making some changes, our player was working fine. But the background is not looking so good according to the game. So I made a low poly model of a tree in Blender and then imported it into the Unity. In Unity, I created an array of trees with some stones and created a prefab out of it and added the same script as the pillar to this prefab. And after changing some variables and spawn points, you can see our game is looking much better than before.